Okay, for this one, what can we do to change and complete this artwork? It's already so pretty with that textures, but it needs something to complete, some kind of contrast. Let's work on that. Since I did koi fish, I might find a fish shape and then try to bring that shape out and then try to preserve the beautiful textures at the same time. To bring out the shapes, you have to contrast the shape by values and color. So we'll see how that works. Okay, so I see right here the shape, right here, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I can't see the fifth one, but I don't. I need odd numbers, so I'll find that. Maybe this right here. Try with a skinny brush to find the shape. So I made some contrast to have 7 different fish. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The odd number always better than even number, even though it's kind of intermingled, so it's hard to count. You might see 8 fish, you might see 6 fish, who knows, but for me it looks fine. I could have this one one more, then it becomes 8, but it doesn't really matter. After 5 is many anyway. So I think I'm done. I'm just trying to decide which way is better. This way. This is a good aspect about abstraction. You can kind of flip and decide what composition works the best. I kind of like this way. Since I worked on it this way, when I sign it, that's gonna be the direction. Or maybe decide not to sign it, and then you can sign it on the back. Signature. So I'll try to mingle within this texture. Right, all done. So in this case, I just worked on that surrounding to bring out the fish. So darkening outside of the shape. If you compare the last one, this one, I have darkened what's inside, because that abstraction surround wrap technique itself was pale enough for bring either dark or light, and I needed some more saturation, and then I thought this would be perfect to bring out the saturation of the fish. But in this case, it was a lot of darkness already, so, and the saturation is already there, so I just pushed that darkness around the fish because I have enough saturation on the fish. Those are the series of my abstract koi fish painting. Okay, now this is a tissue paper, wrapping tissue like this. So I can use those paper because the color scheme works very good, the same color used. So cut them with the scissors, then paste it on. But before I do that, first I'm gonna paint and then bring this shape up. Like I might cut some fish with this. So maybe this is like a rock, in between is water. So I wanna put some cool colors in between, and then maybe cut this and then place them on as like some kind of living creature. So I kind of made a contrast at the edge and the shape brought out. And now I cut this and see if I can have some fish swimming around. Okay, so I have some fish swimming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I kept it like 3, the odd number, 3 and 5 and 1. It's better to have odd number than even number for balancing the composition. So I'm gonna use the glue, Mod Podge. You can use any glue and paste that on. Maybe I should add more. I'm gonna add a little bit more. Okay, so I added a few, and maybe just having a little shadow kind of brought the fish floats and emphasized. So this one is a little bit of collage and just to push the edges of shape, and then worked on a little bit on that texture within the shape just to darken some parts that emphasize the texture and the collaging, and then dropping shadow. That's it. Another fish painting.